Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to enable Do Not Disturb in the MooMoo application. If you're tired of constant notifications interrupting your focus on trading time, then the Do Not Disturb feature in the MooMoo application helps you silence alerts without missing important updates later. First of all, launch the MooMoo app open on your device and make sure that you're logged in. From the home page, tap the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the Me menu, tap on Settings at the bottom. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. Now, click on the toggle button right next to Do Not Disturb. After you do that, you can also schedule a time frame by tapping on Schedule and select the time frame during which notifications will be muted. After you turn this option on, you can now get back to MooMoo homepage. Now you have successfully enabled Do Not Disturb in the MooMoo application. Stay focused, sleep peacefully, or work uninterrupted without completely missing out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.